students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, today which chapter is going on? A question of grammar, and our today's topic is determiner. Our today's topic is determiners. So come to the class. Shall we start, students? A determiner is a word we use before a noun to show whether we are referring to something specific or in general. Determiners can be of different types. First is articles. Articles, you know, a and the. Demonstratives, this, that, these, those. Read these sentences. Father was reading a paper. William was eating an apple. They all accepted the invitation. We know that a, an and the are articles. Okay, students, you know na? A and the are articles. We use a and an to refer to general singular nouns. Okay, and a used before consonant sounds and an used before vowel sounds. We use the to refer to specific nouns. It can be used for both singular and plural. Okay, students, the used only for specific nouns. It can be singular and plural, but a and an used only for general and only for singular nouns. Now read these sentences. You are all away this Saturday. William's friends walked up to that garden by the river. This and that are demonstratives. Okay, students, this and that are demonstratives. We use this or these to refer to something which is near us in time or place. We use that or those to refer to something which is far from us in time or place. जो चीज़ हमारे पास होगी उसके लिए क्या यूज़ करोगे? This और these. और जो दूर होगी उसके लिए क्या यूज़ करोगे? That और those. This and that are used for singular nouns, and these and those are used for plural nouns. These paintings on this wall were done by my mother. Those paintings on that wall were done by my mother's. Here paintings are plural, that's why we used these. Or wall is singular, this, and both denoted near things, and those used for plural and for far from. Okay, students, now I hope you have understood. I will explain all these things again. Determiners are two types: articles, demonstratives. Articles a and the, demonstratives this, that, these, those. Are used before, yes, consonant sounds, and used before vowel sounds, the used for specific nouns. It can used only for specific nouns and used for both singular and plural nouns. A and an used only for singular nouns. This and that used for singular nouns. These and those used for plural nouns. Yes, this and these are used for nearby things, and that or those used for far from things. Okay, students, bye bye, have a nice day.